guys, it's the next day. I didn't film at all. There's so many people out here, bro. Anyways, it's the next day. I'm waiting on my Uber right now again because I went to get breakfast and the Ubers here keep canceling on us, so that's like the whole thing. Like genuinely, like I'm actually genuinely confused. From where I was standing right there, I was looking at something that said, I don't know, maybe I'm just slow. It's like a whole possibility. Maybe I need my eyes checked. Lord have mercy. I don't know. Hey guys, it is so much later in the day. I haven't filmed since this morning, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jerusalem Steph, and I'm back with another video. I just got some food. This is day 2 of Florida. I just got some food from this place called Jed's Pizza, and I think this is wings. Yes. Ooh, it looks good. I got honey barbecue wings, and I got ranch. The ranch is huge. And then I just got deep dish cheese pizza. It's just 4 slices. I'm such a big bag, bro. I'm about to crush this. It's about to be good. I'm already knowing. Did I just drop some? Wait, should I eat the? I'm gonna eat the wings first. But I just wanted to like kind of like check in with y'all, because I really have not been filming. Today I really didn't do too much of anything because I wasn't in a good mood. I just was kind of crying. I'm kind of just sad and stuff about stuff I just can't talk about on the internet. But yeah, let me try it. Let me have my first bite with y'all. Y'all want a bite? This ranch is good.
Tiny shirt, my big bag has no room. Big bag, big bag.
It's in my eye, I think. Hey guys, so I'm walking outside right now. Got me some smoothie drinks, and I got some soap because I don't have soap for my downstairs area. I only have like regular soap for my body, and that just don't go well, and it's just not worth it for me. So I had to get some soap. And actually, I got it on sale. I got a 4-pack for literally $2.50, and it was 6, but it was half off or something like that. Not half off, but I guess it was 5, but it was half off. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to go back to the B&B right now. I was just walking. I feel weird like holding the camera in front of me. Yeah, but I was just walking, guys. I was taking a little walk, getting out, because I have been sitting in the house like almost all day. I was like, you still sitting in the house? And I'm like, yep, I am indeed. So I was like, let me get out and do something. Take a little walk or do something, you know? Not get too crazy. So yeah, I'm about to go. I'm really about to go sit back down. I was getting bit up by mosquitoes in the hammock area, and I was reading 1 Kings 12, chapter 12 and chapter 11. So yeah, I was reading 1 Kings chapter 12 and chapter 11. I kind of been slacking off a little bit reading my Bible, which I can't admit I've been slacking off. So I've really been trying to get back on that, because like obviously that's super important and getting closer with God and everything like that. So, and I do plan to get baptized come July. So I just been trying to stay on the path, because like this time I want to be committed, not like all the other times when I was younger and like just all that type of stuff. So yeah, but honestly I wasn't feeling. Oh yeah, the sun is setting. Oh yeah, I can see that in the background. The sun is setting. Yeah, so anyways, what was I talking about just now? Because I'm like losing my whole train of thought. Losing my train of thought. Yeah, so honestly this has been a chill day. I wasn't feeling the best earlier, but I just decided to just chill and not like force myself to go out and like force myself to, you know, because there's no point. I might as well just stay in the house. Like, if I don't want to go out, just stay in. Like, that's it's just me on this trip, so there's no point to force myself to do stuff I don't want to do. So, yep. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's the next day, guys. Let me show y'all the fit. I got this oversized t-shirt on, and then I got my bathing suit under it. Bathing suit is cute. Okay, black shorts, and that's the fit. And I got this hat on that I got from Colombia. Cute little fit, cute little fit. So I'm about to go to the beach for breakfast. My Uber is like 3 minutes away. I got all my stuff in like this little plastic bag because I don't obviously want to get everything wet. I'm gonna bring my headphones and stuff. I'm gonna do breakfast. I'm literally so hungry. Like, I'm starving. I don't know why I'm starving. I'm starving. I'm thirsty. Like, I'm hot. I'm just all the things. So let me put on some perfume real quick. I know I got my perfume, and my Uber is like probably outside right now. Someone here too. This perfume, vanilla Victoria's Secret. Yes. I got this little plastic bag, like I said. I think he's outside, so let me hurry up. Shove this in here. What the heck? I didn't know it was gonna come all the way up here. Let me take this off. I didn't know it was gonna come all the way. Wow. Amazing. Hey guys, I'm back. And in the same exact spot. It's currently 12:40 in the afternoon. I had a paddle boating class at 4. They canceled because the weather is like raining. It's super windy. So paddleboarding, if y'all know, it's like on the water. So because of the weather, they decided to cancel. So I don't really care. Honestly, I'm happy they canceled. I want to stay in anyway. Yesterday, y'all know I barely went out. Today, I think I'm going to do live music today because I have no excuse not to go out later tonight. So if it's not raining and not super windy, like at around like 5, I'm going to start getting ready to go find a little spot to listen to some music and do that. But I got some food at this place. It wasn't good. I got fish and chips. The fries was good. The coleslaw was good. The fish wasn't good. The batter was good though, so I was eating the batter. I still have pizza and wings from last night that I got. So right now I was on the beach. I couldn't really film because the water kept splashing up, and it was nowhere to like put my phone to record or like nothing of the sort. So I should have maybe brought a tripod or something, but I'm all sand. Y'all can't tell now, but it's sand all over me. So I'm about to take a shower because I'm sandy. I'm honestly cold because it was cold outside. Then I'm wet because of the water that got on me. It's just a lot. So I'm about to take a shower. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna watch 90 Day Fiance. Yo. I've been watching 90 Day Fiance season 10. That season has me crying. Like, literally every couple's argument is so stupid. Literally, the arguments are like the dumbest arguments I ever heard in my life. They're like the most fabricated arguments in the universe. Hey y'all, so it's much later. I took a long nap. Yeah, I took a long nap because honestly I was exhausted, and now I'm about to go get something to eat from this like cafe and this chicken place. They both look really good. I know it's about to be good. I'm about to get some pastelitos from the cafe place, and they close at 7, so I actually need to like hurry up and go before they close, because once they close I'm cooked. Like, it's no other places really close by, and it's pouring raining outside, so I don't really want to go like super far or anything. Yeah, I was gonna go to like some live music or something, but full transparency, I don't want to go nowhere else. And it's just raining today. Like, it was just raining. My paddle boat class got canceled. I didn't go to the massage yesterday. I didn't go horseback where I am. Like, I did more the first day of the trip than the last 2 days. But that's okay. Tomorrow I have my candle making class, so that's gonna be fun. And honestly, I'm happy with it. I'm satisfied. I've been having good food. I've been chilling. I've been sleeping. I need to catch up on some sleep anyway, because I've been exhausted. I don't know. I think I'm just really stressed. And my face is like breaking out. You could tell that I'm getting stressed. My face is breaking out really bad. It's like pouring, y'all. Like, for real, for real. Hello. Tomatoes, grilled chicken, rice, and a piece of pita, and I got balsamic vinaigrette to put on it. So let's try it. It's literally just me and him. Let's try it together, guys. Y'all take a bite.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations.
A little bit later, I'm about to leave. It's currently 10:31, 10:34. I'm about to let my phone charge up to 100. It's on like 92 right now. And then I'm about to go and leave and check out just B&B. I had an amazing time. My anxiety is like really bad right now, so it's like kind of hard for me to film. So sorry if this is like not a good video because I'm really stressed and nervous right now, but I'm trying to just keep it together. Yeah. But I'm ready to go home and just be around people I know, because like literally, and I didn't eat, so like my nerves are really bad because I didn't eat as well. I don't know, I'm just all over the place right now. Okay.